So let's start. So in the last class, we have learned this effect on gravity due to latitude, है ना? Due to latitude. And we have derived this formula, that is G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. Yes, right now?
Yes, sir.
Till here we have finished in the last class. Agree with me, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see here, I am drawing diagram for this earth, and you tell me what is the angle at equator and at poles. If this is the axis, and this is what one more axis or directions we can say. Now I am taking one point here. This point is where at equator, at poles, where this point is.
Pole.
Pole, sir. Pole.
This one. This one.
Equator.
Equator, sir.
Equator. Yes, very good. So this is equator. And if I am taking one point here, this point is on. This point is on
Pole.
poles. Now see, if I am drawing one line like this, what will be the angle, phase angle here? Phi is equal to 0. Very good. And
0, sir.
if I have drawn another line like this here, what will be the angle? What will be the angle?
90 degrees, sir. 90
So
degrees.
therefore, for poles,
90
phi is
degrees.
equal to how much? 90 degree. Yes, no? Now see here, where gravity will be maximum. What is my point? Where gravity will be maximum? Let's find out. So number one point, that is I am taking gravity at equator. Yes. So where phi is equal to how much? 0. So G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. Now see, cos of 0 is equal to how much? 1. So cos square 0 is equal to how much? 1 only. 1 square is 1 only, right or wrong? So
Yes, sir.
shall I write
Yes, sir.
here G equator is equal to G minus R omega square? Yes. Right now. And you see, we are
Yes, sir.
subtracting
Yes, sir.
R omega square factor from the actual gravity. So this will be minimum value. This will be minimum value. So GE is minimum. That implies where gravity is minimum, bolo bolo. Where gravity is minimum?
At altitude, high equator.
Equator, at equator.
Equator.
Right? Now, second point you see at poles, G at poles, phi is equal to how much, Ray? 90 degree.
90 degrees.
So G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square 90. है ना? Now tell me, cos 90 is equal to how much here? Cos 90? 0. So cos square 90
Zero.
is also equal to 0.
0.
And therefore this complete term will become 0. And that's why G phi is equal to G, which is what? Maximum. Yes or not? So where gravity will be maximum?
Yes, sir.
Where gravity will be maximum? Tell me. At
All.
so that's why can I write like this? GP is maximum. That is,
Yes, sir.
gravity on pole is maximum. Understood this part? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, you can write down. Note down fast.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, please. Sir.
Yes, write down, no problem. Slowly write. You can denote instead of this phi here GP also. Okay. Okay. Here we have denoted no G. So GE for equator, GP for poles. Completed. Shall I go to the next page?
1 minute.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Right. So let's solve one more problem. See now. How they are asking problem. The angular velocity of the earth, the angular velocity of the earth with which it has to rotate so that the acceleration due to gravity, on 60-degree latitude becomes 0. Okay, on 60 degree latitude becomes 0. Now this problem I will solve. Concentrate. First you see what is given here. Angular velocity he is asking. Yes, no. Angular velocity he is asking. Yes. And acceleration due to gravity on 60 degree latitude becomes 0. Means first they have given phi. Phi is equal to 60 degree. And g phi is equal to 0. Yes. And we have to just create the formula. Omega is equal to question mark. See now, what is the formula? G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. Now, at this latitude, means at 60 degree, the gravity will become 0. It means what I should substitute? G phi I should substitute 0. Okay, substituted. This is equal to G minus R omega square cos square phi. Cos square into angle is what here? Phi, 60 degree. Who will tell me cos 60 value? Yes. Cos 60 value.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
Very good.
1 by 2.
R
1 by 2.
omega square. And this is 1 by 2 whole square. Sahi hai na? Yes.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
And this is going to be 0. So this is G minus 1 by 4 R omega square. This is equal to 0. You transfer this G this side. See now, minus G is equal to minus 1 by 4 R omega square. This minus minus will get cancelled. So this is 4G by R is equal to omega square. Agree with me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I want omega because see here what he is asking, angular velocity. Angular velocity is omega. So shall I take square root on both sides? So there.
Yes, sir.
4G by R is equal to omega. Now shall I take square root of 4 outside? How much?
2.
2 root G by 3.
G by R.
R. G by R, sir.
Where is 3 ra? 3 is not there. R that is. Is it looking like a 3?
I
No,
said
no.
R only, sir, not 3.
Sir, we shouldn't put R value.
No need, no need. That's it. Okay. Sometimes
Sir,
Okay,
we
sir.
should G
Ah,
value
yes.
and R value.
No need, no need. He is asking
We
just
should
omega
not
only,
find.
okay? Because in this question they have given options like this. You see, I am writing options also. Option number 1, 3 root G by R. Option number 2 is 4 root G by R. Option number 3 is root of G by R. And option number 4, 2 root G by R. So what is the answer, bolo?
4.
4.
Fourth one.
Yes, fourth
2
one.
root.
Yes.
Same no, sir. Square.
Yes. Okay. Understood.
Okay, sir.
Understood, sir.
Ready for next problem now?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Note down first this. Try to understand. Okay. Now you are asking me, no, sir, why we don't have to keep values? Because see, in this question, options are in terms of G and R. That's why we are not substituting values. If options are in terms of numbers or units, whatever it is, then we should substitute the values. Okay. Is that clear?
Sir, how to values, sir? If they give,
Okay, sir.
they'll give R value, sir.
G and R value. G value 9.8, R value 6400. You know this.
Yes, sir.
Like that. Next problem. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now concentrate. The next question you have to solve yourself. The angular velocity of the earth, the angular velocity of earth about its polar axis, so that the weight of the body, so that the weight of the body at the equator, at the equator will be 0 is option number 1, 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian per second. Option number 2, 2 radian per second. Option number 3, 1 radian per second. And option number 4, 0. Option number 4, 0. So
Sir,
first,
from where you are giving this?
is it necessary to tell this answer? The matter is what? We have to solve the problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See here. Now, see, this is suppose equatorial point I am taking here. And now at this point, the weight of the body will be 0. So at equator, phi angle is how much? They tell me. Phi angle?
0.
0.
0.
So first of all, you should find out G phi. Yes. We should find out G phi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So G phi is equal to G minus R omega square cos square 0. So how much you will get, Ray? G minus R omega square. Yes. Right. Now, weight of the object at this point is going to be 0, means when it will become 0? Tell me, when it will become 0? When?
G5 0.
So
G5.
indirectly what he is saying, G phi is equal to 0. So G phi is 0 means 0 is equal to G minus R omega square. So this is minus G is equal to minus R omega square, right? And this minus minus will get cancelled. So omega is equal to direct what you will get? G by R. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now G value
Yes,
is
sir.
what? 9.8. R value is how much? 6,400. So substitute the values and do it. G is 9.8 meter per second square and R value is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Can you do it yourself now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Try it fast and tell me the answer.
Sir, first option, sir. 1.25 into 10
Yes,
First
very
one,
good.
sir.
Yes, very good. Yes, right. Everyone got the answer? Do it fast.
Sir.
Sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Everyone got? Yes, everyone finished? Please tell me fast. Yes, everyone got? Tell me fast.
Yes.
Shall I solve? Is it necessary? Under root of 9.8 divided by this is, can I write like this? 64 into 6. How much you are getting here? See, 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. So 10 power 6 outside you take 1 by 10 power 3 under root what you are getting 9.8 divided by 6.4. How much this is? Check it. Yes.
Sir. 4.9 by 32, sir. 3.2.
Okay. How much it is? One by 10 power 3 under root of 1.53 you are getting, है ना? Yes.
Sir, I got
Sir.
1.23 into 10 power minus 23.
Are
10
you
power
serious?
minus 3.
Same only you are getting this. See now, square root of 1.53 you do 1.23 you are getting, and now this is up. Omega is equal to 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian per second. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Everyone understood? No.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next problem. Shall we solve previous year JE question on this topic? If you are giving permission. Yes?
Sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I am writing heading like this. That is P Y J Q. P Y J Q means what? Previous year
Previous
JEE
year.
questions. Previous year JEE questions. Okay. Right. Okay. So see, first question I'm taking that is asked in 11th January 2019. So the how question is, see. So I'm giving one number here. The mass and diameter of a planet. The mass and diameter of a planet are 3 times the respective values are 3 times respective values for the Earth the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum on the Earth is 2 seconds. No, wait. Yes.
This
The
came in
period
exam,
of
sir.
the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum on the Earth is 2 seconds. The period of oscillation of same pendulum on the planet would be. Can you solve this?
Yes, sir. Similar problem came in exam, sir, last week.
Similar problem came. Similar or this only?
That one only, sir.
Okay. Can you solve?
Yes, sir.
Option number A है 2 by root 3
Sir,
seconds.
is it 25 or 23, sir?
This is 2 second rate. 2 second. Okay. 2 second, not 25. 2 second. 1 minute. I will change little. 2 second it is. Okay. Now you see 2 second that is. Or else shall I write SEC? अब ठीक है? So
Yes, sir.
this is also 2 by root 3 second. Okay. Next 2 root 3 second. Option number C root 3 by 2 second, and option number D or small d, right, 3 by 2 seconds. How many of you can do this? Tell me.
Option C, sir.
Option C, no.
Okay, sir.
Check karo.
Sir, 2 by root 3, sir. 2 by root 3.
No. इंकी पिंकी
Two.
पोंकी मत खेलो रे. इंकी पिंकी पोंकी जहां पे लगाया वहां पे आंसर. You see, solve it properly. Okay. I will give hint. The mass and diameter of planet are 3 times the respective values for the Earth. So means what, Ray? Here, first you are having two things. This is one planet. This is one planet and this is another planet, suppose. If this is Earth, this is a planet, okay? So here its mass is m, radius is r. Here mass is what? 3 times he is saying. So m of planet is equal to 3 times mass of Earth, है ना? तो 3m आएगा. And radius of Earth क्या आएगा? बोलो बोलो. Radius of that planet particularly. If radius of planet I am taking, because they have given diameter na. So if we will take diameter,
Diameter by 2.
so see here, diameter of this planet, first of all, it is equal to how much? 3 times he is saying. 3 times diameter of Earth. That is d only. Here also you can take diameter d. So see, dp means what, Ray? So dp is equal to 3 into this d means what? This d means what? 2r na, 2 times radius of Earth. And therefore here also 2 times radius of planet is equal to 6r. So this 2 and this will get cancelled. So direct you are getting rp is equal to 3 times radius of Earth. Now first find out g on planet. Now g on planet. G
Sir,
on
2
planet
root 3,
is equal
sir.
to what? 2 pi under root L by g on
2 root 3 second.
1 minute, 1 minute. This is not g, this is time period, hai na? Should be time period. 1 minute. So this time period on the planet is equal to 2 pi under root L by g on planet. So you find out now, and t on Earth is what? T only I am denoting 2 pi under root L by g. Now g is equal to what for Earth? Gm by r square. And gp is what? Gmp by rp square. Now substitute all the values and do it. So first if I want gp value, gp is equal to what? G into mp is 3 times mass of Earth divided by rp is what, Ray? 3 times r. So 3r whole square. So how much you are getting? 3gm divided by 9r square. So 3s are 3s are. How much you are getting? 1 by 3 into gm by r square. So gp is equal to how much you are getting? 1 by 3 times g. Understand? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now just to take ratio of this, okay, or you just substitute this gp value here and this whatever it is, just substitute and you will get the answer for this. Okay, just gp value substitute here and see what you are getting.
Sir, 2 root 3 seconds.
2 root 3. Yes, it is correct
2
answer.
root 3, sir.
2 root 3 is the correct answer.
2 root 3.
Yes. Now just substitute the values and see how much you are getting. Shall I go to the next page? So see
Yes,
here.
sir.
Sir, 1
Someone
minute
said-
previous question, sir. 1 minute.
Yes. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Now see, here this TP we got, no, TP is equal to what rate? 2 pi under root L by GP. Now GP value we have, yes, 2 pi under root L by, what is the value we got? G by 3 we got. So substitute G by 3 here. G by 3. So this is upper. So how much we will get? 2 pi root of 3L by G. So I can write like this now, root 3 into 2 pi under root L by G. And given is what, Ray? Given we have, this is nothing but what? T, that is nothing but 2 seconds. So root 3
seconds.
times T, and therefore
Into 2.
TP is equal to root 3 into 2, and therefore the time period of planet is how much? 2 root 3 seconds.
Seconds.
That's why option number B is the correct answer. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I send you one question as a homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Did we join again, sir?
No need.